Here we have the Tabata tool. This is excellent for any exercise that has a set work to rest ratio. All right, so let's just say you're doing intervals on a bike or you're doing intervals of a HIIT workout. Let's start with our work time. Let's just say it's 8 seconds on and the recovery time is a 1-to-1 ratio of 8 seconds. We're gonna do 3 repetitions. And from there, you have the option of adding an additional set. So we'll do 2 sets and you can do as many sets as you'd like. Recovery time will keep at 15 seconds. So this total exercise routine is gonna take 1 minute and 35 seconds as you see displayed below. We'll hit start. On this screen here, this is the action screen. You'll see how much time is left in your work phase of the exercise and an indication of what set and rep you are on. So this is repetition 1, set 1. Let's hit start. The green circle will indicate the work time. You hear a beep to indicate rest time. We'll have a 3-second countdown to begin again. Recovery time is an indication of the time in between the sets. All right, so you completed your first 3 repetitions of set 1. Now we're about to begin set 2.
Well done.
And there you have it, the Tabata tool.